with us in the palace. There's a room waiting for you. Come on, come on, come on. Just let us adore you. Yes, we know that you're not her, but you were hers. You know what it meant to love her, and you remind us so much of her.
Today, right here, right now, I'll love again. I've already found someone.
Just let us adore you.
Today,
Come live with
right
us
here,
in the palace.
right now,
There's a room waiting for
I'll
you.
love again.
Come on, come
I've
on.
already found someone.
Just let us adore you.
Yes, I know that you're not her and I was hers. You know what it meant to love her, and you remind me so much of her.
Today, right here, right now, we'll love again. We've already found someone.